Hi, today I'm going to review with you how to repair the Honda Civic power windows. So this is a 2006 Honda Civic, 4 doors. As you can see, the right hand side, the driver's side windows are operating correctly. However, on the passenger side, it does not work. So first thing you do is you check the fuse box. There are 2 fuse boxes in the car. One is below the driving steering wheel and then the other one is in front. I checked both of the fuse, they're all intact, so it probably is not related to fuse. So the next thing is you have to pry open the switches. It's actually very easy to open the door. All you have to do is use the pilot to peel out to flip up this controller, and then use a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew one screw. So now I'm showing you how to take this apart. Everything's plug and play, so you depress the white tab on the connector that will unplug it. And after you unplug that, you use the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screw. It's only one single screw holding the door. Unscrew this, and then there's also a plastic tab. All you have to do is just use a back of a pencil or something like that to push in. As a reminder, use the painted tape the windows so that it doesn't drop on you. Now with the doors open, you will need to disconnect the power connector, which is the blue tab. So again, plug and unplug it, and use a T25 screwdriver. It's one of the star head screwdriver. Use a small one because you won't be able to reach it if you have a big one. There are 3 screws holding this power motor to the door, so you just have to unscrew it, and that's the reason why you want to use the smallest one you could find. And it's very easy to remove those 3 screws. Even if you drop it, it will be inside the door. Now get a replacement of the motor, reconnect the power supplies. So this is the motor that you can get online. I will put the link below and with the unit. And along with the motors, the switches typically also need to switch. So the way is, it is a series connector. So this is the driver side windows connectors. So again, it is very easy to replace the switches. It's only 4 screws holding the switches to the plastic. All you have to do, unscrew it, take it out, replace with the new one, screw it back in to the unit, and then you pop it back to the door. This one is actually the most expensive one, is about $40, I think, for this controller. So, and those are just to remove it, you use one of these plastic tools to unpop the controller from the door. And then as shown in here, there are 4 screws. You remove those screws using the Phillips screwdriver, and then you just pop the unit out. The whole controller just replaced with a new one. Again, on the link below, I will share with you the part numbers that you can get order online or obtain that from your local store. Now with all this replaced, all you have to do is plug it back in, put the key in, and do a testing. I need to say, it works very well. Save a couple of $100 and replace the power windows. Hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day. If you have any questions, post below. I will look into that. Alright. Bye.